Hey guys, Mike Amsterdam here. It's been about 2 years since I made a YouTube video. Been a long time, so I thought today, since I don't know, basically done with school now, graduated but unofficially graduated, haven't got my diploma yet. Shit's been weird because of Corona, but I'm gonna be working on my card today. I have a 1989 Jaguar XJ6. I don't want to get the license plate. Ah, shit, I'm gonna have to blur it out. And today, come on. I'm gonna be repainting this valve cover and replacing the valve cover gasket. Oh, fuck, look at the oil in there. Yeah, it kind of blew the gasket, which kind of sucks. But we got a new one right here. Shouldn't be too hard a job. Hardest part's gonna be getting all this old shitty paint off. First thing I'm gonna do is remove all these. Oh my god. Look at that. No good. I got them marked for which order they go in, so I don't forget. Undo this. Come on. Just lay that there. So, gotta undo this. Undo all these screws around the side. And this thing should come right off. I got that undone. Hopefully this will be enough torque to get these off. Oh shit, they are. Okay. There's a male person. Grab the pan, 30 bolts in. And boop. Oh shoot, look at that, coming right off. Okay, I'm gonna get a table set up and then I'll take this off and sit on the table. Around that way, and then let's see if I can do this one-handed. Come on. Okay. There we go, I did it. We're also gonna be chipping up all this paint, cleaning up the corrosion, repainting it. It's gonna look brand new. Not really, because that's all correct. Come around here. Look at this beauty. Gotta clean up all this so it sets properly. Yeah, I'll get back with you when that happens. Right there, you can see where the gasket blew. Don't exactly know how, but son of a bitch was causing a misfire. Doggo. All taped up and ready for paint. First coat has been applied. Oh, it's gonna look so good. Sadly, it does not say Jaguar anymore, but it'll do. Oh, it was a bitch, but we got the new valve cover. Well, not new, but repainted valve cover on. Fucking gasket didn't want to fit, so we had to stretch it. Yeah, looks nice though. Oh, that sounds terrible. See if it's leaking. It's all good. No leaking. Oh, it looks so much better. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. It's been a long time since I made one. And, you know, life's been pretty boring since COVID-19. And, well, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And that's all I gotta say. Peace.